What is Sally's job?
Make sure that children everywhere get to have their rights.
To listen.
Speak up for children's rights. Speak up for children.
Make children's voice from all around the country be heard and make their opinions count.
What 3 jobs do super ambassadors have?
To have fun. To tell everyone in your school about rights and UNCRC. Tell everyone about the Commissioner's powers.
And to do special missions each term.
Article 29 is to make sure that children have the right to go to school.
All of them are important, really.
The right to life and to grow up to be healthy.
The right to follow your own religion. We have a right to say what we think and to be listened to.